Have you noticed that the busier you are and more stressed you are, the less time you have for stress management? But what if stress had an off switch? At Audition, we invented it through brainwave entraining audio journeys that help you to focus, recharge, and sleep without any lifestyle changes, more time, or training. We work a lot with ADHD population, with military and military families, with wellness clinics and athletes, and anybody who wants to live with a regulated nervous system 24/7, regardless of how busy they are, can download our app or buy our sleep headband, and all you have to do is put it on and press play. We are here looking for customers and raising funds. So let's not fry our brains with cortisol while working. Let's recharge while working.